Okay, this is just a quickie to show you how to make this little depth scan movie. Now, this is actually, unfortunately, only available at the moment for IGOR 8. It's a new function in IGOR 8. So, what I've plotted is image, a spliced image of site U1338, and put GRA on top of it. And what we're going to do is we're going to make a movie scanning through some prearranged depth range um, so that you'll have an independent little file that you can use to look at data without having to open IGOR experiments. So here we go. If you go to COD Functions, down towards the bottom, you'll see Make Depth Scan Movie. All right, so we're going to increment the depth axis. The initial depth, we're going to make 0. Say we'll go up to 50 meters. We're going to look at 10 meters at a time, so basically the same view that you have up here. We're going to have a new frame every 10 centimeters. We're going to scroll to the left, and the movie frame rate is going to be 10 frames per second. So let's go for it. We're going to give the movie a name. Save it. Okay, here we go. All right, now this takes a while, so I've already run it and I'm going to cancel here. Let's go back to 0 to 10. All right, and here's the movie had I let it run to completion. And there we go, as a comparison. Now the resolution, if we look really closely, is not quite as nice as it is, in the full IGOR, but it's still pretty good. We can run the movie. Just hitting the space bar to make it stop. Or, you can just use the slider if you want to take a look at some particular range. You can just slide. So that's it. That's DepthScanMovie. And let's see, here we go. As you see, that little movie is only 4.2 megabytes. So, not too bad. A lot easier than carrying around some big, humongous, full-scale image. So that's it. Make DepthScanMovie.